Good afternoon again to all the bidders and end user representative DWG members. Welcome to the bid opening for the project Lease of Dark Fiber for Protection Route of Luzon Bypass Infrastructure Project. And we wish to inform the prospective bidders and the participants at this meeting that this meeting is being recorded for documentation purposes in compliance and with directive with the head of procuring entity through the back secretariat. This proceeding is being broadcast live pursuant to Section 38 of RA 12009 and is currently streaming via DICT's official YouTube channel at Department of ICT Philippines. This in line with the department's commitment to uphold the transparency and public accountability in all procurement process. For proper identification, may we request all the bidders to introduce themselves. Kindly state your name and your company you are representing. Please, thank you. May we mention po Ms. Cecil Garcia to kindly introduce your name po and your company representative. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Cecil Garcia. I'm the authorized representative for Clark Network and Technology Corp. Thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am. And also for the record, we have here the other TWG members present here at the back secretariat conference room. Mr. Chair, now allow us to present po the presentation for the project details for the said project. So, for the provisional member and user representative to the DICT BAC for this project is Director Antonia Padre. And the technical working group is composed of the following. We have PM Marlon Bagaytan as the head and other members, Ms. Venus R. Rivera, Ms. Jeneline Anasco, Sir Jazel De Vera, and Sir Felicissimo Gagua Jr. The invitation to bid for the project was posted on June 4, 2026 on the following: the PhilJobs website, the ICT website, and the ICT bulletin board. The letters to observers were sent on June 23, 2026 to the following: Philippine Computer Society, Institute of Electronics Engineers of the Philippines Incorporated, Chief Information Officers Forum Foundation Incorporated, and Commission on Audit. However po, we don't have any observers for this opening. And the name of the bidder who submitted their bids before 12 noon of July 1, 2026 is Clark Network and Technology Corp. Mr. Chair, may we ask your permission po to proceed with the opening of bids submitted by Clark Technology Network and Technology Incorporated.
Okay, please proceed.
Thank you po, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Shown on the screen is the attendance sheet for the project Lease of Dark Fiber for the Protection Route of Luzon Bypass Infrastructure. For the name of the representative, Ms. Cecil S. Garcia from Clark Network and Technology Corp. Submitted on July 1, 2026 at 8:48 a.m. For, for the record po, Mr. Chair, we would like to inform everyone that the back secretariat personnel will sign each and in every page of the bidding documents po. Shown on the screen is the submission from Clark Network and Technology Corp. Submitted today, July 1, 2026 at 8:48 a.m. The submission is properly labeled, sealed, and initial po. May we request confirmation from the representative of Clark if this is the bid you have submitted po?
Yes, sir. That's the bid we submitted this morning. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We will now open the bid. The mother envelope contains two envelopes labeled as technical component and financial component. We will now set aside the financial component envelope and proceed to open the technical envelope. Inside the technical component envelope contains three more envelopes labeled as original technical component, duplicate technical component, and triplicate technical component. We will now proceed with the opening of the original copy and distribute the duplicate copy to the TWG members present po.
Game na, no? Eligibility. Sa eligibility. Ako na sa eligibility. Okay, fine. Basta kami mga tayo. Ikaw na lang sa... Okay.
For the technical component envelope legal document, first document is the valid PhilJobs registration certificate, platinum membership, all pages. Note that pursuant to section 20.2.9.1 IRR of RA 12009, all eligibility documents indicated in Annex A of the PhilJobs registration certificate, platinum membership, must be current, valid, and updated at the time of bid submission. The failure by the prospective bidder to update its certificate with the current and updated eligibility documents shall result in the automatic suspension of the validity of its certificate until such time that all the expired eligibility documents have been updated. Thus, prospective bidders are required to update their registration certificates prior to the submission of their bids. PS Advisory 2025-015, suspension of certificate of PhilJobs registration, platinum membership of corporations for non-compliance with the uploading of GIS and BOI. This is to advise that the certificate of PhilJobs registration, platinum membership of merchant corporations that did not submit the latest general information sheet or GIS, reflecting the beneficial ownership information or BOI duly received by the Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC shall be suspended. The imposition of suspension comes after the issuance of PS Advisory Number 2025-007 published on June 30, 2025, which required corporations to submit their latest GIS with BOI. All corporate entities with existing platinum membership were likewise required to update their eligibility documents in the Government of the Philippines Official Merchant Registry or GOP-OMR. Shown on the screen is the PhilJobs issued to Clark Network and Technology Corporation, issued on September 14, 2026, and valid until January 16, 2027. For the record po pala, issued on January 16, 2026 po. For the Annex A list of eligibility documents issued to Clark Network and Technologies Corporation, SEC certificate, registration date July 14, 1997, Mayor's permit issued date January 15, 2026, and expiration date December 31, 2026. Tax clearance, issuance date, expiration date April 14, 2027, and issuance date of April 14, 2026. Audited financial statement, date of filing June 5, 2026, and pickup license, expiration date September 23, 2026. They have also attached the Securities Exchange Commission. They have also attached the articles of incorporation. We will just browse the document subject to further evaluation of the technical working group. They have also attached the certificate of filing of amended articles of incorporation, the corporate status, monitoring sheet. We will just browse po, subject to further evaluation of the technical working group. They have also attached the business permit, issued to Comclark Network and Technology Corporation. They have also attached the tax clearance certificate, issued on April 14, 2026. They have also attached the Securities and Exchange Commission certificate. They have also attached the statement of management's responsibility for financial statements, statement of management's responsibility for annual income tax return, the report of independent auditor, we will just browse the document po. They have also attached the annual income tax return. They have also attached the General Information Sheet or GIS. We will just browse. They have also attached the Beneficial Ownership Declaration. With this, may we get your rating? May we get the rating of the back members, please?
May we get your rating, Director Padre?
As Mr. Chair, subject to final verification of the PWG. Thank you.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Lisa?
Pass.
Thank you po. For the next document, statement of bidder largest single completed contract, SLCC, similar to the contract to be bid, except under conditions provided for in Section 52.4.1.3 of the IRR of 12009 within the relevant period as provided in the bidding documents. Any of the following documents must be submitted together with the statement of largest completed contract, a end user's acceptance, official receipt, and sales invoice for the contract.
Shown on the screen is the Statement of Single Largest Completed Contract or SLCC, similar to the contract to be bid. The name of contract, establishment of protection. This includes po the name of contract, owner's name, address, telephone numbers, nature of work, definition or description of similar project or major categories of work, bidder's role with description and percentage, amount at award, amount of completion and duration, and date of awarded, contract effectivity, and date completed. So for the name of the contract, establishment of protection route for the Luzon Bypass Infrastructure Component A, optical transport network cards and modules for additional degrees. For component B, lease of dark fiber for the protection route of Luzon bypass infrastructure. Owner's name is the DICT. Address at DICT headquarters, Studio 7, 19th floor, 807 Epifanio de los Santos Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. Nature of work, Component A, optical transport network cards and modules for additional degrees. Component B, lease of dark fiber for the protection route. Description, sole contractor, percentage 100%. Amount at award, 76,879,259. Amount of completion is 69,558,401.19. And the duration is March 21, 2025 to December 31, 2025. Date of awarded, December 26, 2024. Contract effectivity, December 27, 2024. Date completed, December 31, 2025. Duly signed by the authorized representative of ComClark, Ms. Cecil S. Garcia. Dated June 30, 2026. They have also attached final acceptance and completion certificate. Another final acceptance and completion certificate. We have also attached the establishment of protection, the contract agreement po. They have also attached the notice of award issued to ComClark Network and Technology Corp. They have also attached the notice to proceed issued to ComClark. They have also attached the notice of contract termination for the project, establishment of protection route for the Luzon bypass infrastructure. May we get the rating of the back members, please?
With this po, may we get your rating, Director Padre?
Mr. Chair, thank you.
Sir, may we get your rating po again? Director Padre, may we get your rating po on the submission of SLCC?
Yes, Mr. Chair, thank you.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Lease? Pass. For the next document, the NFCC computation or committed line of credit.
Shown on the screen is the computation of net financial contracting capacity or NFCC. Current assets amounting to with the total NFCC of 18,676,823,839.53 by ComClark Network and Technology Corp. Signed by the authorized representative, Ms. Cecil S. Garcia. May we get the rating of the back members, please? May we get your rating, Director Padre?
Pass, Mr. Chair, thank you.
Thank you, Director. May we get your rating,
Yeah,
Director
kasi
Luzon?
number one,
Pass.
hindi naman kami ang gagawa ng data migration.
Thank you, Director.
For the next document, the statement of prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar nature and complexity to the contract to be bid.
Shown on the screen is the statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started. This includes the name of contract and total contract value, nature of work, date awarded, dated started, date of completion, the percentage of accomplishment, planned and actual, and the value of outstanding works undelivered portion. Mr. Chair, may we request your instruction if we should read the listed contracts one by one, or we can provide the number of the listed contracts and the total amount, since this will be subject to the evaluation of the TWG. Mr. Chair. Once again po, Mr. Chair, may we request po your instruction if we should read the listed contracts one by one, or we can provide the number of the listed contracts and the total amount, since this will be subject po to the evaluation of the TWG. Mr. Chair.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Sir, for the statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started po, may we request your instruction po if we should read the listed contracts one by one, or we can provide the number of the listed contracts and the total amount, since this will be subject to the evaluation of the TWG po.
Okay, we can provide lang the summary and then the TWG do the evaluation.
That is noted po, Mr. Chair. Thank you po. So for the government contracts po, the bidder, the total name of contract and total contract value they have the bidder submitted is 12 po. 12 ongoing contracts. And the total cost of outstanding works undelivered portion amounting to 1,712,000 at 712,038,945.47. Submitted by Comclark Network and Technology Corp. Duly signed by the authorized representative, Ms. Cecil S. Garcia. They also attached the notice of renewal, notice to proceed by Clark Development Corporation. They have also attached the copy of contract for provision of a CCTV surveillance system for CFZ and CSEZ CCTV. Duly signed by the um, duly signed by Clark Development Corporation, the procuring entity, and the supplier Clark Network and Technology Corp. They have also attached the notice of award issued to Clark Network and issued by the ACT po. They have also attached the notice of proceed issued to Clark and issued by the ACT. They have also attached the contract agreement duly signed by the head of the procuring entity of the ICT and the authorized representative of Clark. They have also attached the notice of award issued by the University of the Philippines, duly signed, and also duly signed by the authorized representative of Clark. They have also attached the notice of proceed issued by University of the Philippines, duly signed, and also duly signed by the Clark Network and Technology Corp. They have also attached the purchase order issued by University of the Philippines System. They have also attached a copy of the contract issued by the Quezon City government as the procuring entity, duly signed by the city mayor and the authorized representative of Clark. They have also attached the notice of award issued by the Quezon City government, duly signed by the city mayor and the authorized representative. They have also attached the notice of proceed issued by the Quezon City government. They have also attached the contract issued by Quezon City government, duly signed by the city mayor and the authorized representative of Clark. We will just browse po the document subject to further evaluation of the TWG po. That's all po for the statement of all ongoing government and private contracts. With this po, may we get the rating of the back members, please? May we get your rating, Director Padre? May we get your rating, Director Padre? Once again po, may we get your rating, Director Padre? We'll get back po to Director Padre. Director Lisa, may we get your rating, please?
Gamit sa ano, sa
Pass subject,
So,
subject for TWG evaluation.
yun yung plano.
Thank you, Director. Once again po, Director Padre, may we get your rating, please? For a while lang po, Mr. Chair, we'll trying to contact po Director Padre po.
Nawala po siya sa meeting eh. Opo. Patapin. Nawala. Kanina mama yung wala. Mr. Chair and other members of the back, we're just coordinating lang po kay Director Padre to join po the meeting. Thank you po.
Okay, no problem.
Pass, Mr. Chair. Sorry po, thank you.
Thank you, Director. For the next document, if applicable po, JVA, or in the absence of a JVA, duly notarized statements from all potential JV partners stating that they will enter into and abide by the provisions of the JVA in the event that the bid is successful. Not applicable po. Next document, original copy of bid security. If in the form of a surety bond, submit also a certification issued by the Insurance Commission or original copy of notarized bid securing declaration. Note, bidders who opt to submit a bid securing declaration as a form of bid security are required to use the bid securing declaration form in the attached bidding documents. Shown on the screen is the bid securing declaration form submitted by Complark Network and Technology Corp. It was signed by the authorized representative, Ms. Cecil S. Garcia, Notary Public, Attorney Angelito R. Villarin, Notary Public for Pasig City until December 31, 2027, PTR number 3915407, January 5, 2026, Pasig City. And for the record, the submitted bid securing declaration form is within the prescribed format attached in the bidding documents po. May we get the rating of the back members? May we get your rating, Director Padre? Once again po, may we get the rating of Director Padre po?
Pass, Mr. Chair, thank you.
Thank you, Director. May we get your rating, Director
I'm
Lisa?
still to present
Pass.
status of the ENSO. So,
Thank you, Director. For the next document, the schedule of requirements. For the record po, for the bid security, the bidder also attached the identification po of Ms. Cecil S. Garcia. To continue, the bidder submitted the schedule of requirements, which includes item number, description, quantity, total, and the delivery schedule, submitted by Comclark Network and Technology Corp, duly signed by the authorized representative, Ms. Cecil S. Garcia, dated June 26, 2026. May we get the rating of the back members? May we get the rating, Director Padre?
Pass, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Director. May we get your rating, Director Lisa?
Pass.
Thank you, Director. For the next document, conformity with the technical specifications, which may include production or delivery schedule, manpower requirements, and/or after sales or parts, if applicable. Shown on the screen is the technical specification submitted by Comclark, which includes the item, specification, and statement of compliance. For items 1 to 1.4, they have stated comply with remarks. For item 1.5 to to item 2, they have stated comply with remarks. For items 2.1 to 5.1.2, they have stated comply with remarks. For items 5.1.3 to item 6.5, they have stated comply with remarks. For item 7 up to item 10, they have stated comply with remarks. Submitted by Comclark Network and Technology Corp, duly signed by the authorized representative, Ms. Cecil S. Garcia, dated June 26, 2026. They have also attached the Annex 1 Comclark Compliance Statement. We will just browse for the document, subject to further evaluation of the technical working group. They have also attached the Annex 2 FOC specification.
Parang sila kasi yung tayo ni ano po, no? Sila pa yung mas lalo. Hindi, ay, actually, kaya nag-delete. Kaya po, kaya po. Ano, continue na po kayo? So, continue na po kayo, Brady ka na. Motorcycle pala ata nila ito. Yung ko bang pinagod ko?
With the presented technical specifications po, may we get the rating of the back, please? May we get your rating, Director Padre? Once again po, may we get your rating, Director Padre?
Once again po, for the conformity of technical specifications, may we get your rating, Director Padre?
Pass, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Lisa?
Cloud.
Pass.
And the other one is the
Thank you
supply.
po. For the next document, original duly signed omnibus warrant statement, and if applicable, original notarized secretary certificate in case of a corporation, partnership, or cooperative, or original special power of attorney of all members of the joint venture giving full power and authority to sign its officer to sign the OSS and do acts to represent the bidder.
Shown on the screen is the submitted omnibus sworn statement. Wherein Ms. Cecil S. Garcia of legal age is the duly authorized and designated representative of Comclark Network and Technology Corp. And also granted full power and authority to do, execute, and perform any and all acts necessary to participate, submit the bid, and to sign and execute the ensuing contract for lease of dark fiber for the protection route of Luzon bypass infrastructure with identification number DACT BAC-2026-032. And for the record, the submitted OSS is within the prescribed form attached in the within the prescribed format attached in the bidding documents po. It was duly notarized and signed by the authorized representative, Ms. Cecil S. Garcia, dated June 30, 2026, with notarial commission until December 31, 2027 by Attorney Angelito R. Villarin. We have also attached the identification card for Ms. Cecil S. Garcia. They have also attached the secretary's certificate. Resolved that Ms. Cecil S. Garcia, as she is hereby designated as its duly authorized representative for the bidding, dated June 30, 2026, also signed by the Assistant Corporate Secretary, Ms. Elvira C. Oquendo, Notary Commission until December 31, 2027 by Attorney Angelito R. Villarin. They have also attached the identification card for Ms. Elvira C. Oquendo.
With this, may we get the rating of the back? May we get your rating, Director Padre? Again po, for the submission of the omnibus warrant statement, may we get your May we get your rating, Director Padre? Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Lisa?
Pass.
Thank you po, dear. For the next document, for foreign bidders claiming by the reason of their country's extension of reciprocal rights to the Filipinos, certification from the relevant government office of their country stating that the Filipinos are allowed to participate in government procurement activities for the same item or product. Not applicable po. Having with this po, Mr. For the record po, the bidder submitted the supplemental bid bulletin number 1. Mr. Chair, given that the bidder garnered a passing rate for the technical specification, technical component envelope, may we get your final rating for their technical component envelope, please?
The final rating for the technical component is pass.
Thank you po, Mr. Chair. Also, Mr. Chair, with your permission, we will now open the financial component envelope.
Yes, please proceed.
Inside the financial component envelope contains 3 more envelopes labeled as original financial component, duplicate financial component, and triplicate financial component. We will now proceed with the opening of the original copy and distribute the duplicate copy to the TWG members present po. For the financial component envelope, first document is the original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form. Shown on the screen is the original financial component, financial bid form. This is the submitted bid form for procurement of goods. The total price of the bid in words and figures is 32,480,000 pesos. Again, 32,480,000 pesos. Duly signed by the authorized representative, Ms. Cecil S. Garcia, dated June 30, 2026. And for the record, the submitted bid form is within the prescribed format attached in the bidding documents. And also within the ABC of 39,900,000. They have also attached the secretary certificate designating Ms. Cecil S. Garcia as its duly authorized representative, dated June 30, 2026, notary commission until December 31, 2027, by Attorney Angelito R. Villarin. Also signed by the Assistant Corporate Secretary, Ms. Elvira C. Oquendo. Also, they have attached the identification card for Ms. Elvira C. Oquendo. With this, may we get the rating of the back, please? May we get your rating, Director Padre? Once again po, may we get your rating, Director Padre, please?
Okay.
Apologies po sir, nag-choppy po. May we please repeat your rating po, Director Padre. Thank you. For the record po, Director Padre through chat po, rated pass po, Mr. Chair. Thank you. May we get your rating, Director Lisa po?
Pass.
Thank you, Director. For the next document, original of duly signed and accomplished price schedule. Shown on the screen is the price schedule for goods, which includes the item, description, source of domestic product as certified by the relevant agency, quantity, unit price, transportation and all other costs incidental to delivery per item, sales and other taxes payable if contract is awarded per item, cost of incidental services if applicable per item, total price per unit, and total price delivered financial destination. With a total amount of 32,480,000, duly signed by Ms. Cecil S. Garcia, the authorized representative of Comclark Network and Technology Corp. With this po, may we get the rating of the back members? May we get your rating, Director Padre? Once again po, may we get your rating, Director Padre?
Pass, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Director. May we get your rating, Director Lisa?
Pass.
It's after
Director. For the next document po, certification from the DTI if the bidder claims preference as a domestic bidder or domestic entity. This is not applicable po. Mr. Chair, Given that the bidder garnered a passing rate on their financial component envelope, may we get your final rating for the financial component envelope, please? Thank you. Mr. Chair, once again po, having the bid submission.
Can you repeat that? Sorry.
Mr. Chair, having the bid submission submitted by Com Clark was rated pass, may we get your final rating for the financial component envelope po?
Final rating for the financial component. What the envelope is
May we, thank you, Mr. Chair. May we also get your overall rating, please?
overall rating is passed.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, we will now proceed po presenting the eligibility checklist and abstract of bids as read. Shown on the screen is the eligibility checklist for the lease of dark fiber for the protection route of Luzon bypass infrastructure. The bid reference number is DICT-2026-032 with the ABC amounting to 39,900,000 pesos. And the location po here po in the DICT 19th floor, DICT headquarters. For the record, for the technical component envelope, for the item number 2, down to item number 11, the rating is passed. And for the financial component envelope, the items number 12 down to item number 14, for a while. Once again po, for the financial component envelope, the items 12 down to item 14, the rating for the financial component envelope is pass. For the overall rating po, stated is pass. With this po, may we get the acknowledgement from the representative from Com Clark for the eligibility checklist po.
I consider the eligibility passed on by Com Clark. Thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am. With this po, Mr. Chair, may we get po the approval of the presented eligibility checklist?
So are there any motions?
Motion for adjournment.
Mr. Chair, motion to approve the posted
Guys.
eligibility checklist.
Someone,
Did I hear the second?
Second, Mr. Chair.
Tuloy Maxwell.
Copy po, Mr. Chair. We will now present the abstract of bids as read. Shown on the screen is the abstract of bids as read for the project name Lease of Dark Fiber Protection Route for Luzon Bypass Infrastructure with the ABC of 39,900,000 pesos. Once again, the name of the bidder is Clark Network and Technologies Corp. With a total amount of bid amounting to 32,480,000 pesos. The form of bid security is bid securing declaration and remark pass. With this, Mr. Again po, may we request acknowledgement from Clark Network and Technologies Corp to acknowledge po the presented abstract of bids as read. Ma'am Cecil?
Confirm, ma'am, the abstract. Thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am. Mr. Chair, may we get the approval of the presented abstract of bids as read? Thank you po.
Are there any motions to approve?
Mr. Chair, motion to approve the posted abstract of bids as read.
On your second. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Thank you po, Mr. Chair. Lastly po, the back secretariat remind the TWG on the submission of TWG bid evaluation report on again po, we would like to remind the TWG on the submission of TWG bid evaluation report on July 3. May we get confirmation po from the TWG? If we can submit po the report on Friday po.
Yes po, we confirm po.
Thank you po. Mr. Chair, there are no other matters po being discussed. We can now adjourn the meeting po.
Okay, so
Motion to adjourn po, Mr. Chair.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Bakit?
Mr. Chair, you can adjourn po the meeting po.
So the There's a motion to adjourn the meeting. It's moved and seconded. So the meeting is adjourned.
Thank you po, ASEC. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much po, back members.
Salamat po.